Welcome to my Dolong Port. After being ravaged by Super Typhoon Yolanda, the Dolong Port in eastern Samar is fully back on its feet following the completion of its rehabilitation project. The beauty of Balangkayan Port, Eastern Samar. Makeover, the port will be more serviceable than ever, particularly during calamities, as it serves as a protective shed and shelter for the fishing vessels. In addition, the terminal building of the port can also serve as a venue for various social activities implemented by the local government unit of the municipality as well as the provincial government of Eastern Samar. The scope of the Balangkayan Port project includes the construction of backup area, terminal building, and administration office. Construction was completed on May 21, 2019 and the formal acceptance of virtual inauguration was held on 28 August 2020. Tatak. Build. Maritime sector works. Comfortable life for all. Partners for change. DOTR.